Ontario just shut down 8 immigration pathways that thousands of people were waiting for. No warning. All gone. June 26, 2026. This is the single biggest overhaul in the program's history. For years, Ontario had 8 different ways to get sponsored, like a foreign worker stream, an international student stream, a master's graduate stream. Each had its own rules. Now, one stream. 3 pathways. All jobs must be permanent and full-time. Gone, the foreign worker stream, international student stream, master's graduate stream, PhD graduate stream, in-demand skills stream, skilled trade stream, human capital priorities stream, and French-speaking skilled worker stream. Some people had been preparing applications for years. Here's the silver lining: Ontario got 14,119 nomination spots from the federal government in 2026. That's a 31% jump from the year before. But this time, they want skilled workers, essential workers, and self-employed doctors with real jobs already lined up. The biggest difference? Graduate students used to be able to apply without a job offer. Not anymore. Almost everyone in the new system needs a full-time, permanent job offer from an Ontario employer right now, or at least a solid promise of one. The new Ontario Workforce Priority Stream has 3 pathways. First, skilled workers in what they call TER 0 to 3 jobs, think engineers, accountants, nurses. Second, essential workers in TER 4 to 5 jobs, think retail, construction trades. Third, self-employed doctors who can bill through Ontario's health system. So Ontario consolidated 8 programs into one in the biggest immigration shakeup ever. If you're thinking about moving to Canada, the rules just changed. Want to learn how other provinces are recruiting talent differently? Watch the next video.